Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Have an active MTN line with sufficient airtime or mobile money balance for 1 month. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in on the device you will use. Open Settings and tap your name to access payment and shipping. If carrier billing is available, enable it there to charge MTN directly. Confirm your MTN phone number matches the Apple ID account details on the device. Keep your SIM in the phone during the renewal process to receive verification SMS from MTN. Open Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions to view Apple Music options. Tap Apple Music and choose the 1-month or 1-year plan you prefer. When payment options appear, select Use Carrier Billing or MTN Billing as the payment method. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the MTN charge and authorize billing with your Apple ID. Wait for the MTN payment confirmation, SMS, and the App Store receipt email. Verify Apple Music shows renewed access in the subscriptions screen immediately after confirmation. If MTN billing is unavailable, update iOS to the latest version and restart your device. Confirm your MTN airtime or mobile money balance covers the selected Apple Music plan price. Check that your MTN number has no outgoing billing blocks or carrier restrictions in place. If a charge fails, keep the transaction reference from the App Store or MTN SMS. Contact MTN Customer Care for billing issues and Apple support for App Store receipt problems. Consider setting up a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.